All right, this is kind of a odd one out. Not in the sense of it doesn't belong. It's just memorize it. Nothing crazy. It's the SCOR model. It's the supply chain management, supply chain operations reference. There's four parts to it. Again, just kind of memorize this. It has to do with performance management. Supply chain's important there. So this is used to address, improve, communicate supply chain management decisions within the company and with suppliers and customers. So overall, it's just to improve the supply chain. It just describes satisfying customer demands, explaining the process and how to improve these processes. First, we're going to plan. This is balancing supply demand, sales forecast, inventory levels. Also, we're going to assess ability of suppliers to supply resources. Generally, yeah, you should kind of know what belongs under each of these four, but for sure, memorize each of the four here. Next, we're going to source. Well, where do we procure the resources? Where do we get the raw materials and all that? Selecting vendors. Making, this is the process of turning raw materials into finished goods. Manufacturing process, testing. Again, this is all has to do with our supply chain. And lastly, deliver. Get the finished product to the customers, manage orders, accounts receivables, collections. Deal with all of that. Not going to get into it too much. This is essentially all you really need to know. Just memorize it and you'll do well. You're super strong for staying with me this long. Let's finish it up. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.